Understanding the Arithmetic Logic Unit (ALU). The Arithmetic Logic Unit (ALU) is a crucial component of the CPU, responsible for performing arithmetic and logical operations that are foundational to all computing tasks. The ALU is often referred to as the brain within the brain of the computer. It executes calculations and logical comparisons that power everything from simple arithmetic to complex AI functions. Key functions of the ALU include performing arithmetic operations like addition and subtraction, executing logical operations such as AND, OR, and NOT, facilitating decision-making and data processing in programs. The ALU has evolved significantly since its inception in the 1940s. Early models were electromechanical, while modern ALUs are found in multi-core processors with advanced capabilities. Key milestones include the transition from vacuum tubes to transistors and the advent of integrated circuits. Components of the ALU include input registers for data storage, control signals from the CPU, and combinational logic circuits that perform operations. In modern applications, ALUs are integral to various fields such as gaming, cryptography, AI, and image processing, showcasing their versatility and importance in technology. The future of ALUs looks promising with advancements in technology. Expect improvements in energy efficiency and integration with AI processors. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you gained a deeper understanding of the vital role of the ALU in computing.